What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to get proof of balance on Commonwealth banks, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. So before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial. So guys, you can view, print, I directly email a proof of balance. It is confirmation letter that confirms your account details, including name, address, PSB and account number, and it can be used by many government departments and businesses for identification requirements. It may be issued on its own or with other documents, for example, original bank statements as a secondary identification document. So how to view it? So on Combank app, you need to log on to the Combank app and tap Accounts at the bottom of the home screen. Select an eligible transaction or savings account and then tap Manage. Third step is scroll down to Statements and More and tap Proof of Balance, reviewing the generated document to validate that the information is correct. The last step is you can then email the balance confirmation document to yourself or a third party, or print the balance confirmation document. You can on a net bank, the steps are a bit different. So basically log on to the net bank, select view account and then account information. The second step is select an eligible transaction or savings account. Third step is scroll down to useful account documents and select balance confirmation to view. Also you can select the download or email buttons if you wish to download and send the document to yourself or a third party. So guys, basically that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.